Welcome to Smart Educational Books by Smart Publisher, Karachi.
Did you know the sound of B? Now read with me, hooray! Bring your bat and bring your ball, Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
B
Is for ball, it bounces round and high.
B
Is for bat, he hits the ball so well.
B
Is for balloon, it floats up to the clouds. Bye bye friends, see you next day. We'll learn new sounds, hip hip hooray!
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more letter sounds, click on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Educational Books for more fun and educational content. If you want to purchase the books, then contact Aftab Brothers, Shop No. 29, Main Urdu Bazaar, Emma Jinnah Road, Karachi.